share and subscribe.
The parcel's turned up. I'm going to open up and see what it's like, what's in it. Easy doing it one hand. Guess what it is. What's in the box? I wonder what's in the box. What is it? Oh! Packaging! Yay! Packaging! Big box for that. Tripod. Look inside what it's like. Show the box first. This is the box. Shows you what to do. This is the tripod. Let's open up, see what it's like. Well, comes in the bag. Now, nice. That's nice, I like that. It's quite sturdy actually. Yep. Nice. Very nice. Come back to you and settle up in a minute. Well, that's what it looks like with it up. It's really tall. Wow. It's big. I love it. Next is I'm going to test it with the camera on. See what it's like. Wow. That's big. I love it. Nice and sturdy. Yep, perfect. Told you I'd get a tripod. That's the packaging that came in. Yep. Bag with it. Nicely bag. Perfect to travel with. Take it exploring with me. This me have a stabilizer. Let's see what it's like. It's my old one. That's perfect, that one as well. Yeah, happy. Really happy. Again, show you again. See you later. Hi guys, it's me, Jackson UK, just trying out my new tripod. Let's take my glasses off so you can see my eyes. Woo. Well, I'm loving the tripod, it's amazing. Right, and see you later guys. Bye! Hope you enjoyed it.